So hello and welcome friends to our channel IntroMech, and here we discuss about basic mechanical engineering concepts. So today we are going to discuss about a different tool, a engineering tool which will give us information and conversion tool and also a calculation configurator. So these all things we are getting into a single tool. So we all know that in designing any of the machine we require a lot of information about different parts that we are going to use into the machine. Also, while doing some calculations there are conversions required to be done, so the basic knowledge of these conversion factors is important, and we all know the importance of calculations. So is there any tool which gives us all those things in a combined manner? So yes, there is a tool available. So without wasting time, let's have a look of that tool. So you have to type EICAC on the Google, and here you could see EICAC calculator, that is engineering calculations convergence and information. So just click on that and you could see its interface here. So it has three different parameters like information. So in information, convergence and calculators. In information we can get information about various engineering components, materials, processes. So all these things we can get here. Then we have convergence. So we all know that we have to convert, let's say from if we have a mass in kg, sometimes we have to convert it into pounds. So it has a conversion tool. And then calculators. So in engineering or in designing we have to do a lot of calculations. So if we do hand calculations it will take a lot of time. So this tool offers us a simple format in which we have to just input our system parameters and it will give us the output. So that is its advantage. So let's have a look one by one. So in information, now you could see here there are different segregations done. So fasteners, then flanges and piping system, then we have surfaces, hardware, then we have limits, fits, machined elements, materials, then miscellaneous. So all these things have a information here. So let's have a look. If we go into the material properties, we can see here the material properties of all the different materials. So the universal calculator, it is not working. So we have the information of specific gravity, Young's modulus, shear modulus, all this data at a one sheet, in one sheet. So you can find out the data from this tool. Okay, then we have a different types of information here. If we don't know about the metal finishing processes, because metal finishing processes are very important, we should know that which process is required to be applied to which part. So if you don't know about it, just don't worry about it, go into the site, and let's say if you want to know about say anodizing, just click on it and you could see the information about the anodizing process, how it is applied, then to which materials it is applied, then how much thickness we can get into this process. So all this information you can get it easily. So this is the advantage of this site, you don't have to wander here and there, you can get all this information at one site. Then let's say the geometry and surface, geometric tolerances plays a very important role. So you can get the information that what are the different geometric tolerances, what is their meaning, what is their symbol, and how they are represented on the drawing, what are the full forms of the different symbols here. So this is also important to know, because in order to read the drawings you should know all these things. So this is also very important as far as reading of drawing is considered. So we have seen that how much data is there. Now let's move on to the conversions. Now here we have a universal converter. So all the conversion factors are here. Let's take an example. So let's take a example of power. So you can see two windows. So you have to put the unit of the output parameter, and you can have a input parameter on the left side, so it will directly converts that parameter. Let's say we want 1000 watt, so you could see its value in horsepower electric. So this is how you can see. Let's take another example. So let's take a temperature, for example. So that is degree Celsius, and let's say degree Fahrenheit. So it will directly convert and you can get the value. So this is the importance. Then the most important parameter here is the calculators. So it has combined all the different parameters. So if you want to find out area, if you want to find out the deflection, again in deflection, if you have a cantilever beam, then cantilever beam you have a point load, you have a universal uniform load or a varying load. So these are the different configurations. So it is allowing us to use this tool along with all these configurations. You can see conveyor, you can find out power and torque. Then there is hydraulics. So in hydraulics there are different parameters. Cylinder force at any angle you can calculate. Then if you know the cylinder, then you can calculate the force. If the cylinder is unknown, you just have to put other parameters and you can get the cylinder size. So these different configurations are also available at this site, and you can find out the output torque of a hydraulic motor. If you have all other parameters, then we have a machining elements, all the keyways and spur gears. You can find out the different dimensions of these parameters. You have in miscellaneous, you can see all the different parameters. You can find out the bolt ultimate strength, then you can find out the power speed, you can find out stress strain, surface speed, trigonometry, torsion of a shaft. You can have a hardness conversion chart. So if you know the hardness in say Brinell hardness test, you can find out in Vickers. So all these things are available in a single tool, in a single on a single website. So this is very useful site. And let's then in sheet metal we have a deep drawing force. So different parameters are available here. So that is the beauty of this site. And let's see how you can utilize this calculation tool. So let's take an example for the calculator. Let's check out the calculator. So let's take a bolt uniform strength. So here you could see bolt uniform strength calculator. You just have to put the bolt size and it will give its ultimate strength. So let's check out for M12. So here you could see the its ultimate strength. The bolt grade is given. It is related to its manufacturing and surface mesh parameter. You can change it and you can just check out its strength. Then again the bolt strength are given in different formats like unified threads, then BSW threads. These are the different standards. Let's take another example for the calculation purpose. So let's check out something here. And let's take a hardness conversion. So here you could see the hardness conversion chart which is given in heat treatment of the steels. So on the bottom you could see the steel hardness conversion calculator. So you just have to put the hardness in one hardness, let's say Brinell hardness or Rockwell, whatever you know, and it will convert it into the other formats. So let's put some value here. So let's put the value as a Brinell hardness of 200. So you can see the values in all the other different hardness methods or measures. So 200 Brinell hardness HB is equal to 15 Rockwell hardness. So this we can find out. So this is all about the site, and you can see a lot of information available on this site. And if we utilize this site properly, it can save our lot of time, and it can provide us the different calculators, so we can easily calculate the different uh, our system parts, and that's how we can utilize this site. So I think you understood all the information, and if you have any doubts, please do write into the comment section. And one more thing, this site is completely free, so you can just log in onto the website and you can utilize all these tools. So this is very important parameter of this site, because you don't have to pay anything and you are getting all these things. So that's it for the today's session, and if you have any doubts, please do write into the comment section and we can discuss over there. So thank you for the patient listening, and stay home, stay happy. Thank you.